was Team Shadow. I was ready to hear that there's more winter. So there you go. What? I know you're Team No Shadow.
Right. Well, you know what? Punxsutawney Phil oftentimes forecasts a very cold outlook. I mean, most of the time, like 70+% of the time, he's predicting 6 more weeks of winter. So it's not surprising that it happened again. I'm not sure in the long run he's going to be right for the United States, but I think in the next, say, 6 to 10 days, he may be onto something, because we're going to see beginning next week and really beyond that for about, a week, this continued pattern of the snow track showing up with the jet stream kind of shaped like this with little disturbances in there and maybe some sort of accumulating snow that sticks around for a while as cold air is nearby.
I think that's part of it too.
Yeah.
It's not only the storm track, so you have the systems coming through, but you have the cold air that is in place. So everything that falls, there's not going to be a ton of melting because you're going to be stuck in that cold rut.
Right. So this goes out a week. And Marie, you're exactly right. This is something that we're going to be dealing with, I think, in the near term. But, with overall, we've got this pattern that's just kind of rotating around here. The coldest air in the northern hemisphere, by some measures, is hanging by perilously close and is pinwheeling those storm systems around. But going beyond the beyond, so to speak, right, beyond next week, the models are starting to open up the Pacific for business, meaning milder, much milder air is likely to come into the U.S. via a jet stream that will look pretty different by mid-month. And
that could have a significant impact on temperatures, and of course with temperatures, who see snow and maybe less of it down the pipeline.
So if you look at the ECMWF model, which is actually a pretty good model for the medium range forecasting temperatures, weekly average temps, it's giving you a map, one of which we haven't seen the likes of in a while. We've seen maps that have warm in some places and cold in other places, but when you look toward the middle of the month, the ECMWF model, the Euro, is saying, Punxsutawney Phil, not sure you're on anything here.
He's going with Staten Island Chuck and Dunkirk Dave, who calls for an early spring.
Lots of groundhogs to choose from.
That's right. All right, Greg, thank you.